Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about new scenario in Microsoft SQL Server. So please try to watch all my previous videos so you'll get more understanding of different technologies like SQL Server development, performance tuning, Power BI and DAX, and integration services. Now we'll go to the SQL Server Management Studio. There we can understand today's video demo. So for timing, already I have written the script. So I'll try to explain what are the steps followed to create this query and all. Okay. So the requirement here is, so for example, if we create any procedure, so basically, so we'll get output by executing the procedure and all. But I want to insert the result of the procedure into a temporary table or a physical table. How to do that? So that is the requirement. Okay, so we have the procedure. So by executing procedure we'll get some output, so that output has to be inserted into some kind of table, whether it is physical table or temporary table. So we'll try to see that. Okay, now for timing I am creating one table. So basically here we can see that there are three columns: id, first name, address, and respective sample data. Okay, first we'll try to execute one by one. So let me execute this one. Okay, table has been created successfully, and also we'll try to insert sample data. Okay, so sample data also inserted successfully. Now we'll fire a select statement and we'll try to understand whether data has been inserted successfully or not. Select star from TBL employee. Okay, let me execute it. So now we can see that, so id, first name, address. Okay, so three columns are there and data also there. Now looks good. Now I am trying to create a procedure on top of this table. Okay, so whatever the table we have created, on top of that I am trying to create a procedure. This is the simple procedure only, there's no complexity on that. So here we can see that create procedure name as begin. So within the select statement I am creating this. Okay, let me execute it. Now procedure also created successfully. Now what I'm gonna do, I'll try to run the procedure. Execute get data. Okay, so we'll try to see that whether it will give so output or not by executing that. Okay, let me execute it. Now we can see that, so procedure also giving output. So the requirement is, what are the output I am getting by executing this procedure? I want to insert this output into some temporary table. Okay, how to do that? First of all, I am trying to create a temporary table to holding this output. Okay, first what I'm trying to do, I need to create some temporary table so to hold this output. So for that I'm creating the temp data. So here also three columns: id, first name, address. Now so what I'm doing here, insert into temporary table execute procedure name. Okay, so first let me create the temporary table. Okay, so temp table has been created successfully. First we'll check whether data is already exist or not. Okay, let me see this. Okay, no data so far. Okay, so for no data, now I'm trying to execute this command. Execute. Now you can see that there are 9 rows are affected. It means that whatever the output we got from the procedure, that output we are inserting in a temporary table successfully. Now we'll try to run the select statement so that we can understand whether data already existing or not. See, 9 records are available. Okay, it means that the output of the procedure we are inserting into the temporary table successfully. So like this we can do. So there are some cases may will get this kind of requirement to capture the procedure output into some temporary table for later, so some kind of analysis, whatever it is, different reasons. So that's why I created this video. So that's all for today's video. I hope you like this video. So if you have any questions or queries, you can send me an email or drop your comments in the comment section so that I'll try to reply as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you guys.